Hello, my name is Neville Page. There are times in life where milestones occur that change the trajectory of mankind. Fire, the wheel, the internet, and for some of us, ZBrush. It has not only changed how we work, but it's afforded many of us new ways to see and create that were once unimaginable. I've been using ZBrush almost since its inception, and I can truly say that it has made, more than any other piece of software, it has made the greatest difference to my craft and to my career. I just want to say thank you, and I'm forever grateful to ZBrush, all those involved with its creation and its evolution, and equally to the community of users of ZBrush that continue to inspire the world and myself. So thank you very much.